Hey, what is going on, guys? This video, we're going to show you the best way to make money in 2019. And the best part, you don't need to spend a dime. Hey, what's up, guys? Rob Reese here. Thank you so much for joining me on this video and how you can get started making money online like I do full-time from home. Now today I'm going to show you one of the absolute best ways that you can get started making money online in 2019. And like I said, it's 100% free of charge to get started. You don't need any special skills and you can get started right away. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step what to do without any skills, no money, no experience whatsoever, and if done right, you can get started making a full-time income in almost no time, and you can go ahead and tell that boss of yours to go ahead and shove it.
And fuck you, I'm out.
Now, the method we're going to be using is called launch jacking, okay? Now, if you look at the site, you're going to see that there are a number of offers. And before we get into the specifics, what I want to talk to you about is what types of offers you're going to find on here. You're going to learn all sorts of things like from make money online, how to do stocks, Bitcoining. It's going to show you a bunch of different methods for making money online. It's all these different courses that are coming out on what is known as launches. So what we're looking at here, guys, is a number of different products that are going to be launching in the next few weeks. Now, today's date is April the 1st. You're watching it maybe on April the 2nd. So let's see what's coming out here. We've got one on the 2nd called Explaindio VidVamp. This sounds like some type of a video product. We have one from Neil Napier, which is Kyvio. That's another software. It's kind of like ClickFunnels and a bunch of email things put together. And as you can see, there are a number of different other things as well. Starting from zero. Look at this. Fred Lamb starting from zero. This guy is an email marketer. So for the most part, you're going to find things that are related to email marketing, affiliate marketing, where these guys are looking for people to promote their products and get affiliates on board with what they're promoting. So you're probably like, who in the heck are all these people on this list? You don't know any of the names on here. Well, you probably heard of Russell Brunson, and what he has done is listed his 10x secrets when it came out on JV Notify Pro and says, hey, if you're an affiliate, if you have a bunch of people on your list that are interested in learning about making money from home or increasing the income they're already making from home, this is a product that would look good to your audience. Now you're probably like, Rob, who in the heck are going to buy these products? Who are these people? Now, I don't know if you know who Russell Brunson is. You should, because he's like a marketing king when it comes to this type of stuff. He put out a product called 10x Secrets back in November, and he said, you know what, if you got an affiliate marketing list, if you've got people who are interested in making money from home, who want to increase their income, check out this product. This might be a good fit for your list. And they gather a bunch of affiliates and they go ahead and promote this product. And for everybody who sells it, they get the chance to make about $475 per sale, which is pretty good. And then, of course, additionally, they get different prizes for the top 10 affiliates. You get to fly to this really cool place, do really cool things with these people, hopefully not ride the jet skis with these guys. But for the top 10 sales, or for making 10 sales, you get this Yeti microphone. For 20 sales, you make this really cool gimbal selfie stick thing. And of course, everything that you need to promote the offer available to you from Russell's team. Pretty cool. Also, if you check out a super affiliate system, John Cristani, he's got an amazing product called Super Affiliate System 3.0. This is another high ticket offer that you can go ahead and promote utilizing this method absolutely brilliant in my opinion. This is going to get you some incredible commissions, by the way. I bring all of this up because he also put the notification on JV Notify Pro to get the launch going. And when these things come out, when you are ahead of the game in what I'm about to show you, you're going to be able to make some pretty darn good commissions. Now, I mentioned the method we're going to be doing here is called launch jacking, and launch jacking is all about building up the hype behind a new product that is coming out. So let's take a look at some of these offers to see exactly what I mean about the hype that is coming up behind it. Okay, so let's take a look at Fred Lamb's upcoming launch. The guy is a stellar marketer. Guy knows exactly what he's talking about. He actually is a guy who started from absolutely not knowing any English, not doing well with English, and making $1 million business out of it. So he's promoting up to $195 per audiobook sale that is available to the affiliates and recurring commissions. Earn 50% commissions and lifetime commissions on a $2 audiobook. That's pretty stinking good. $100,000 in prizes just for a $2 audiobook promotion. You can fill out your information, get your affiliate ID, everything available here. Also, this is what he's writing out to his affiliates, an example of what the product is going to talk about, what it's going to do for the person who ends up purchasing it, and then, of course, the 5-step system to success that it's based around. He's going to go into some more details about the product, and then here we go is the date of the launch. So what we're looking at is the launch day being on the 9th, going all the way through the 19th when the cart closes. And during the time before that, the week before that, people are going to be building it up, especially Fred Lamb and his team. They're going to be building it up, and you're going to start seeing a little bit more people talking about it. You're going to start to see reviews and things like that about it. And this is all surrounding what we know are calling launch jacking. So guys, now how are we going to make money with this? Well, you're simply going to go over to YouTube, and as you can see, we just looked at Fred Lamb's starting from zero launch that's coming up in just a few days, okay? If I type in Fred Lamb starting from zero review, you're going to see that it's not even out yet, okay? Today is April the 2nd when I'm recording this video. It doesn't come out until April the 9th. And we already are starting to see a bunch of people who are talking about the product, okay? They're telling what they like about the product, what they don't like about the product, of what to expect about the product if you don't actually have the product in your hands. And all they're doing is they're evaluating the sales pages, okay? So what does the sales page look like? You would sign in, get your information here, and you would be able to see exactly what it's talking about. And here's some of the information that they're using for that. And they're putting these videos on YouTube, driving traffic to their reviews with their little affiliate link inside of the description of the video. Yeah, let's take a look at the super affiliate system, okay? Super affiliate system review, okay? And what you'll notice is a bunch of different people doing the same thing for John Crestani's product. Look at that, okay? The same page here, all right? They are reviewing here. Now, this was obviously 5 months ago when it dropped for the first time, the new iteration of the training, but they're putting out these review videos and never having to actually get inside of the product. They just evaluate the sales page or the webinar. If it's a webinar, then you're going to listen to the webinar for about 45 minutes to an hour, get a good idea of the training that's on there, and drive people to these pages. I mean, let's look at 10x Secrets by Russell Brunson, okay? 10x Secrets review, okay? Let's look at that. And as you can see, a bunch of months ago when it first came out, people are doing the exact same thing, reviewing these products that are launching. So what exactly is happening here? I mean, as you can see, you see Digital Millionaire. He popped up a couple of times in some of these the videos that I found here. And what you're noticing is what I called before launch jacking, okay? A lot of people are getting the hype up about the particular product. They're getting emailed day after day after day about these brand new products that are coming out. Now, a lot of these folks are not going to buy right away. They're not going to buy from the email that they're receiving from whatever list they're on. And what they're going to do is they're going to head on over to YouTube to find a video review, to see somebody in person, face to face, explain what the product is, what they're going to get out of it, if it's something that's trustworthy. Sometimes we're just in a visual kind of culture, and because they can see somebody behind the screen instead of just text in an email, it's going to go a lot further as far as trust goes. So now we want to actually take those people that are going to Google and going to YouTube and typing in 10x Secrets review or starting from zero Fred Lamb review, and we want to be able to siphon that traffic and get that traffic to our affiliate link. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to take that traffic and maximize on it as much as possible. Now, of course, you're going to need to create a nice little video where it's going to kind of walk them through the sales page, explain to them what the promise is. Is this something that is going to be fit for them? You're just going to give them a little bit more of a comfortable feeling when it comes to the product and the review that you're going to make for them. So you're going to take your time by showing them exactly what this product is, what it's going to do for them, what are the big promises of it, and whether or not they should take advantage of your offer. So we create our video, we walk them through exactly what they're going to get, we show them the pros and cons if we have any inside knowledge to it, and we're making a video presenting them with an affiliate offer. And to double your money, here's a little trick. You're going to add your own little special bonuses, okay? This is going to make people so enticed to buy the offer that it's going to be almost as if they cannot say no. And we want to make it as enticing as possible. And this guy, Digital Millionaire, knows exactly what to do. For all of those people who are being brought to their video, now he's like, you know what? The other guy who sent me the email wasn't giving me jack. But now I'm watching this video and he's giving me $500 worth of free bonuses. This is something that will also do extremely well for you, for those of you who are going to create these review type videos and start doing launch jacking. Now just think about it. You being the guy who's offering a ton of really cool bonuses as opposed to the other guy, you're going to be looked at as so much more cooler than the guy sending that email. It's going to make you more money, and it's going to be so much more beneficial for your long-term business. Everybody loves bonuses. Just think about when you go to the store and you buy one, get one free, right? Or pick this up and get this for free. This is absolutely the same type of mentality, and this is where it becomes super fun for you because you're going to start seeing your PayPal notifications go off when you utilize this trick. And all those people are going to be like, yum, 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 come, yum, yum, bonuses, yum, yum, yum. Man, that was so weird. It was like Cookie Monster on crack or something. Guys, just look at this proof on the screen, okay? Look at this. Opted in using your link. Looking forward to this. Just bought. Amazing. Been a ClickFunnels member for years already, so I have to check this out. Just joined. Go through most of the training. Love it so far. Thanks so much for recommending it. Russell never fails. I mean, these guys absolutely love buying from the videos. These guys are always looking for the review videos, so you're going to get traffic to them easily. Now, I've already shown you a bunch of people who actually purchased by looking just at the comments, but not everybody who buys leaves a comment. I mean, out of these 4,000 plus views, just imagine how many people actually bought. And remember, this is what it looked like broken down. How many times did he make this $475 per sale? I'm sure out of those 4,000 people who watched it, anywhere between 5 to 15% bought. Just do the math in your head. What is that? That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. But guys, this is totally doable. Get in on the hype when people are starting to launch. Go to JV Notify Pro, grab yourself one of these, review it, and start seeing the cash come in, guys. So here's what you got to do now. Go to JV Notify Pro, go out about a week, maybe a little bit more, find something to promote. Talk about the sales page, talk about what the promises are, throw up your review video, get some people to that review video, and start seeing if this is going to be something that works for you, okay? Now, I go ahead and train on a whole bunch of different methods in my special course found in the description below. So if you have any questions, go ahead and do that. Check that out. But this is the method that is going to be the best way to make money online for 2019 without having to spend anything out of your own pocket. Thanks again for checking this out. This is Rob Reese. Make sure you subscribe to get all the future videos.